All right, so here's our Sudoku problem. Actually pretty excited for this one. There's just a lot you can do with it. Right now it's just a draft. So as you can see, there's a save game that I have, and I want to put no for right now, just so we can kind of run through all of our examples. So we're gonna do easy board, and then first thing we're gonna want to do is put, as you can see, we want to put an 8 at B8, so we'll type in B8. Then we'll want to type in the number where we want to put it, 8, and then I also put a confirmation. Yes, I do. So then we want to put 1 at E5. So E5. Then we want to put an 8 also. Great. Yep, perfect. And then as you can see, there's an 8 at B8 and 8 at E5. Perfect. So now we're going to want to save. So that's saving. Great. I'm going to open it back up. Save, yep. And then as you can see, it load our board. So yeah, a lot of great stuff with this program. There's a lot more we can do with it to make it more user friendly. But yeah, that'll be for next week where you can put all that stuff